Yeah, as you can see, we're dealing with 2017 question paper. Question 1, we're going to solve this question. It's all about algebra. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Question number 1, it was saying x squared plus 9x plus 14 is equals to 0. This one, it was easy, simple. We start here, two numbers that when we multiply them together, it gives us what? 14. Now it's 7 and 2. 7 multiplied by 2 gives us 14. How do we find this one? 7 plus 9, it gives us what? 9. Now we open the brackets, x plus 7. The bigger number goes with this first sign, and the small number is going with the sign that how do we find this one? How we find this one? So because it was positive and positive, in other words, this one is going to be positive. 2 is equals to 0. Then x is equals to negative 7, or x is equals to negative 2. Question number 1.1.2. 4x squared plus 9x minus 3 is equals to 0. Leave the answer into true decimal places. Here we're going to apply quadratic formula, which says x is equal to minus b plus minus root b squared minus a 4ac divided by 2a, which is equals to, now we do some substitution. X will equals to minus, our b is equals to 9, negative plus minus root 9 squared minus 4. Our a is equals to 4. Then our c is equals to negative 3 all over 2 multiplied by 4. Now, if you can check it. And now it's simple, it's just a use of calculator. Just say negative 9 into plus minus 9 squared is 821. 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3. Multiplied by 4 is 16. 16 multiplied by 3 is 48. Plus 48 divided by 8. Negative 9 plus minus 81 plus 48 is 129 divided by 8. Now you use your calculator. The first answer will be for positive 0.29, 0.29. For negative, negative 2.54. That is your final answer. As you can see, sorry for not showing you how I done this one, but you can see from here you can use a calculator. Even from here you just remove a negative sign, then you punch on the calculator, you get the final answer, then you put negative, you put the calculator. Now we go forward. We go for question 1.3. 1.3, it was saying 1.1.3, it was saying root x squared minus 5 is equals to 2 root x. Now we have to remove the square root. We put everything inside the brackets. X squared minus 5, we put, then we say 2 root x squared. Now you know if we have square outside the bracket, you apply both on the two numbers that are inside the bracket. In other words, here we're going to leave us with x squared minus 5 is equals to 4x. Now we move this x this side. X squared minus 4x minus 5 is equals to 0. Now two numbers that we multiply together and give us 5. When we subtract them together, they give us 4. Is 5 and 1. We open the brackets. X. Now we know that here the bigger number goes with the negative sign, which is going to be 5. The number that when we multiply by, when we subtract 5 and give us negative 4 is positive 1 is equals to 0. X is equals to 5 or x is equals to negative 1. We go for 2.1.2. 1.2 says 3x is equals to 4 and x squared plus 2xy minus y squared, and solve x and y simultaneously. Now we have two equations you can see. Which is 3x is equals to 4. Now we have to simplify this one. We divide everything by 3. Now we're going to have what? X is equals to 4 divided by what? 3 is our equation number 1. Our equation 2 will remain the same. X squared plus 2xy minus y squared is equals to, oh, I forgot something here. Equation, it was say it's equals to negative 2. Here is negative 2. Now, because we already have the value of x, what we're going to do, we take the value of x and substitute where there is x. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to say 4 over 3 squared plus 2, 4 over 3 y minus y squared is equals to negative 2. Now 16 divided by 9 plus 8 over 3y minus y squared is equals to negative 2. Now, what do we do from here? We take this one and cross the equal sign. Let me write it down before I cross the border. Negative 16 divided by 9 plus 8 divided by 3y minus y squared is equals to negative 2. Yeah, now we can turn up the page. This thing is very easy. Now we're going to do like this: negative y squared minus 8 divided by 3y plus 16 over 9 plus 2 is equals to 0. Now we add the like terms. Negative y squared minus 8 over 3y plus 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. 18 plus 16 divided by 9. 16 plus 18 is how much? Is equals to 0. Negative y squared minus 8 by 3y plus 16 plus 8 is going to be, let me take my calculator. I'm using my calculator. Let's say 16 plus 18 equal to 34. Is going to be 34 divided by 9, which is equals to 0. Now we're going to simplify this. From here we're going to apply quadratic equation. Now we can remove this negative here. Y squared plus 8 divided by 3y plus minus 34 divided by 9 is equals to 0. Now we're going to use our quadratic equation. We're going to say y is equals to negative b plus minus root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now y is equals to, our negative b is going to be positive this time, 8 divided by 3 plus minus 8 divided by 3. Now squared minus 4 1 34 negative 34 divided by 9 all over 2 1. Now you punch a calculator and get the value of y. Y1 and y2. I don't have a calculator. You will forgive me not finishing this one. Yeah, for sure we are done. Okay, yeah, for sure we are done from here. Please, next time I will have a calculator. I will try my level best to finish this. Okay, thank you very much. Subscribe and hit the like button, and don't forget to share with your friends.